Hi guys, it's Angela here again. We're going to be doing Nigeria crunchy chin chin today. We're going to be using 1000 grams of flour, 250 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 3 eggs, milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 250 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, vegetable oil, and I'm going to be using this food processor to do the mixing, water if necessary, 1 teaspoon of salt. So now we're going to start by sieving our flour. Sieve the baking powder as well. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add my sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to mix it all together on a medium speed. Now I'm adding my butter. You can see my butter is completely melted because I melted in the microwave. Because I just took it out of the fridge. You use room temperature butter. And this is what I want to achieve. Just like so, you can see that. Now I'm going to add my eggs. Mix it together. One teaspoon of vanilla extract is going in. Now I'm adding my milk. Little bit of more milk. Yeah, I think this is just how I want it. Just enough. Not too strong, not too soft. Not hard and not soft. Not sticky as well. Just the way it should be. So now I'm going to wrap it up in cellophane, plastic. I just put it in the fridge to rest for 5 minutes. So now this is my dough. I'm putting it in section. I'm going to roll it out. You can see I just added a little bit of flour to my surface. And I'm using this cutter. You can also use pizza cutter. You can use knife as well. So from one end to the other. And I'm also going to cut from the other end to the other to put it on the dicey shape. And my oil is busy already. So now I'm going to fry. Don't overcrowd your pan. If not, your chin chin will soak, and don't let your oil be too hot. Don't use too much butter, not too much milk as well. If not, it will foam out. You can see my chin chin is ready. Mind you, when chin chin is brown, is when you bring them out, it's still cooking, so you bring them out early. So you can see this is my chin chin. My chin chin is ready. You can just put it on the airtight container. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.